Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 402 different strategies, with 127 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 301 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,049 indicators, with 438 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says the best Ichimoku indicator on TradingView, 462% profit. And so the source video tests the strategy across a few different assets. And so not really sure where the 462% profit comes in, if that's total or what exactly. But nonetheless, we'll still put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Ichimoku oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we will keep it on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be an EMA, an exponential moving average. Just a standard EMA built-in indicator from TradingView. Right here, go ahead and click that and add it to the screen. And this one we will jump into the settings, and under the length, we're going to change that to 200. Then jump into the style, and what we're going to do is bump up the line weight a little bit. And this is completely optional. This part you can modify however you wish, just to make it look or stand out a little bit better. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ATR bands indicator. And it's going to be this one right here, the second option. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings, and what we're going to do is change the inputs. Under the inputs, we're going to change the multiplier upper and multiplier lower, both to 2, and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, for example, so we are looking for when price is trading below the EMA. That's going to give us our overall trend direction. So when it's below the EMA, we're looking for only shorts. When it's above, we're looking for only longs. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look down to the Ichimoku oscillator, and we want it to go into this purplish colored background with a red ribbon and give us a yellow arrow like this right here. And once those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here, and we're going to target a 1-to-1 risk reward. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our stop at this upper green ATR band, and we're going to put our take profit at the lower red ATR band right here. So you can see that's a 1-to-1. So let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within just a couple bars, we make a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is when price is trading above the EMA. And so in this case, we get a cross of the EMA right here. And at the same time, the Ichimoku oscillator goes green background, a green ribbon, and then gives us a white up arrow right here. And so everything lines up all in one right there on this candle. Again, that will be our signal to then enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right here. And it's kind of hard to see where the lower ATR band is, or the ATR line. So what we can do is just go up here and we can hide price action to find our ATR. Looks like it's right there. And that way we can structure the one-to-one risk reward just like so. Turn this back on, play this forward just a couple bars here. See price comes down, getting really close to our stop, but we managed to avoid it and make this push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Now, out of those 50 trades, we got 30 winning trades and 20 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 60% win rate. With the one-to-one risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking the same $600 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000 for an overall gain of $6,000. So not a horrible strategy with a one-to-one risk reward and Ichimoku. Yeah, not too bad at all. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 41 trades altogether. We had 33 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $10,200. And so definitely better results. And if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, then you would have increased the win rate quite significantly. You would have been closer to the $19,000 total profit. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So yesterday I closed out the 37th and 38th winning trade in a row, still maintaining that 100% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the 2 trades on screen now, one right after another. That's closing in on almost 3 months of 100% profitability. That's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, the combination of the 2 did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. So it's a very powerful combination. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you are not profitable within the first month, then we'll give you your money back. You can join our Discord and read up on the money back guarantee right here. All right, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.